Notion as website versus Card, which is better? Links to both platforms are added in the description below. In this video, we're comparing Notion used as a website and Card to help you decide which platform is the best fit for building simple, functional, and visually appealing online presences. Straight to the point, expert insight, no fluff. Let's start with who each platform is designed for. Notion, primarily a productivity and note-taking tool, can also be used to create public websites, portfolios, or landing pages by sharing pages with the public. Its strength lies in content organization, ease of updating, and flexibility in presenting structured information. Notion is ideal for creators, freelancers, educators, or small teams who want a functional site quickly without worrying about traditional web design, and who value integrated content management with documentation, notes, and collaborative features. Card, on the other hand, is a lightweight, one-page website builder designed for individuals, freelancers, and small businesses who want fast, responsive, and visually polished sites. Card excels in simplicity, speed, and customization for landing pages, portfolios, personal profiles, and mini sites, where design aesthetics and responsiveness are priorities. When we compare core features, Notion as a website allows you to organize content using databases, pages, and blocks, integrate multimedia, embed forms, and maintain everything in one collaborative workspace. However, it lacks design flexibility, advanced styling options, and professional-level interactivity, making it less suitable for branding-heavy or highly interactive sites. Card offers responsive templates, drag-and-drop editing, custom domains, forms, widgets, and even simple e-commerce functionality, giving users more control over design and user experience for one-page sites. Design-wise, Notion focuses on structured, functional layouts that prioritize content over style, while Card emphasizes clean, minimalistic, and visually attractive designs optimized for desktop and mobile. Ease of use differs slightly. Notion is easy for existing users familiar with its interface, but creating a public-facing site can feel limited, whereas Card is intuitive, allowing anyone to get a polished website live within minutes. Pricing also varies. Notion can be free for simple public pages, while Card offers affordable premium plans for custom domains and added features. So, which is better? If your priority is a functional, content-driven site integrated with productivity tools, Notion is the stronger choice. If your goal is a visually polished, responsive, one-page website with more design control, Card is the better platform. The decision ultimately comes down to content functionality versus design flexibility and web presence polish.